Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you one amazing code for your Fire Stick which will allow you to jailbreak your device, or in other words, to get thousands of apps which are not available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And there are lots of amazing apps that you are going to like. So without any further ado, let me show you how to do all of that to your Amazon Fire Stick. And first of all, you gotta get the app called Downloader to the Fire TV stick, as well as set it up. So if you already have Downloader on your device and it is set up correctly, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then you should follow me. So go to search on the Fire Stick, open that search bar, and now use that on-screen keyboard to start typing Downloader in the search. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom now. So you click on it, and now that's the app that you gotta get to the Fire TV stick. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because we'll still need to set it up. So to go and stop Downloader, we need to go to the settings by clicking that little button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open that. Now you'll see, or you should see, the developer options here, but on some Fire Sticks, especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick here, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you finally are going to see developer options right here. Open them, go to install known apps, and in here, all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now we go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, open that, and there's the Downloader. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to UK right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV, or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also gonna give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we just go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, locate it, open it, just wait a moment for it to load. Now there, what you gotta do next is just open the search bar and start typing in a link, which will be app linked app.store. So let's enter that together. Once again, it's app.linked.store. So just enter the code like that, as you can see on my screen. After that, click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And then when the website opens, just press the download app linked button, and now the download will start. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds. Then click install and make sure that it also gets properly installed. After that, do not click on open yet. Instead, it's better to click on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on the Firestick device. So just click on delete and delete once again. After that, we'll have to go to settings one more time, go to My Fire TV, developer options, install unknown apps, and turn that option on for app linked as well, because we'll be using app linked to download other apps from the internet. Now, we go and take a look at the list of apps on your device. Here it is. And there's this new application, the Alternative App Store, which we got for you. Now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. It's right next to the Home button on your remote. Click on it, and the menu will appear on the right side of your screen. Click on Move to Front, and this way the app will always be at the very top of your application list. This way it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just do not forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then open this app finally, and when the app opens, you can either go to public stores, and there you'll see all the available alternative applications, or scroll down to see different app categories, where apps will be separated by different categories, such as live streaming, movies and TV shows, games, sports, and so on. So in my case, let's say I will open public stores, where all the applications available. And in here you get access to all the apps that you might be interested in. And there are apps like movies with TV shows, live sports, live TV, utility apps, media players, IPTV players, and so on. So just plenty of apps that could be useful. I just had to blur out my screen because of YouTube rules here, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.